I'm Volker, the CEO of AIXaTECH, and it's a pleasure to introduce my company to you. To get you acquainted with our technology, I like to show you an example everybody of you knows. When you use your smartphone, you often see this sign. The reason for this is that today's smartphone displays consume a lot of energy. Apple and Samsung have therefore announced that they will switch to micro-LED displays, which need at least less than 50% energy. However, Apple and Samsung announced at the same time that the costs are still too high for booming markets. There are two reasons for the high costs. In this picture you see the size of the micro-LED. Such a tiny part is difficult to handle. At the same time, talking about a full HD display, more than 6 million of those tiny devices have to be picked and placed. This is currently a showstopper for larger displays. The second reason is the manufacture of the micro-LED itself. Today's manufacturing is a complex process running at temperatures beyond 1000 degrees Celsius and limited to wafer scale. AIXaTECH has developed a complete different solution. Our process runs at temperatures below 300 degrees Celsius, and despite the low temperature, the quality of the generated layers is single crystal. We call the process low temperature epitaxy. Due to the novel architecture, we are able to reduce manufacturing time by a factor of 2 to 7 and at the same time increase the capacity by a factor of 10. The whole process and system is worldwide patented. And you see that we are not just limited to wafer products. We can easily add substrates in larger format, as you can see on the left-hand side. The big advantage for the manufacturer of micro-LED displays is that we can use glass as a substrate and that we can go to very large formats. Furthermore, due to the fact that we can grow the material directly on glass, we avoid the pick and place process completely and reduce thus the cost dramatically. The dramatic decrease in costs reveals the comparison on wafer scale. If you manufacture with an MOCVD system a 200 mm wafer, you end up with cost of $125. If you manufacture it with our low temperature epitaxy, the cost shrink down below $6. We are currently in the process of transferring our life-size prototype to a serial machine. I would like to invite you to be part of this financing round. We will use the proceeds exclusively for the manufacture of a fully automatic serial machine. With our technology, we are not just limited to displays. We hold stakes in the high power electronics, in the lighting market, or in the field of 5G. So different markets with heavy growth rates. The low temperature epitaxy is the consequent development of the MOCVD process towards easy control, disruptive low cost and extreme substrate sizes. I'm convinced in the end it will be the missing link for a new generation of energy efficient products. I'd like to invite you to be part of our exciting journey. Thank you very much.